Robert Smalls was born on April 5, 1839 as a slave in Beaufort, South Carolina. A skilled ship pilot, Robert was assigned to serve on the crew of a Confederate ship, the CSS Planter, when the Civil War broke out in 1861. On May 12, 1862, the officers of the Planter went ashore for the evening, and Robert used this opportunity to escape. He borrowed a uniform from one of the officers and then just straight up bootganged the entire ship. He was successfully able to trick multiple other Confederate ships into thinking that he was the captain.
Look at me, sure. Look at me, sure. I'm the captain now.
What in tarnation? He then turned the ship over to the Union Navy and became its actual captain, serving for the rest of the war. After the war, Robert bought his former owner's house, started a school for African American children, served on the US Congress for 2 terms, started several businesses, and got a ship named after him. All in all, pretty cool guy.